Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hello everyone. Today's recipe is quick and tasty Brinjal Tawa Fry. If you want to cook something quicker or if you're looking for a no onion and garlic recipes, this is a perfect recipe. This is a very simple and tasty fry that just goes with any dish. So let's see the preparation. To prepare this brinjal fry, take a medium or a large size brinjal or an eggplant, cut off the stem. Now cut into round slices. Don't slice it too thick or too thin because these brinjals cook so quick. If you slice it too thin, they turn very soft. If you cut it too thick, they doesn't cook properly. So cut into half-inch size slices like I'm showing here. If you have enough time, dip these brinjal slices in bowl of cold water for 5 to 10 minutes, or else you can also fry these brinjal slices without soaking them. Now drain the water and transfer these brinjal slices into a mixing bowl. To this add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt according to your taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of rice flour. You can also add besan, that is gram flour. Rub and coat all the spices to the brinjal slices. Sprinkle some water and coat well until all the masala coat well with the slices. You can also make spices into a paste and apply to the brinjal slices. Now prick brinjal slices with a fork like I am showing here. Now once again rub all the spices on the top of the brinjal slices. If you have enough time, leave it for 10 minutes so that brinjal absorbs all the flavors, or else you can fry them directly without marinating. Now heat the tawa. Grease the tawa with oil. Now gently arrange the brinjal slices on the tawa. Now brush the brinjal slices with oil. Also add oil at the edges to fry evenly. Now fry on a medium flame for a minute. After a minute, gently flip the brinjal slices to the other side. These brinjal slices absorb oil so quickly, so again add some oil and fry on a medium flame until they are lightly roasted. Now again flip the brinjal slices to other side and fry until brinjal slices are cooked and roasted. Once brinjals are cooked and roasted, transfer them to the separate plate and repeat the process with the remaining brinjal slices. To make it quicker, you can also shallow fry these brinjal slices in a pan. Once brinjal slices are cooked, transfer to the plate. This is a very simple and tasty recipe that just goes with any dish. So definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.